Hello again, it's Noob, and I recently came across this Squire power lock, and it's heavy. I think it's a solid hardened steel body, and it looks like it should be guttable. If you open this up, you'll see that there is a hex key or hex bolt there, but I can't get this shroud off. It's like solid on. It looks like somebody's tried to do it and they've torn it, so I'm not going to do that. It is double ball bearing anti-shim shackle, but it's not protected shackle. Bit of a shame for a heavy lump of a lock like this. The bitting's interesting because it's 5 pins with a very deep cut here, long key pin followed by lots of short key pins afterwards. So, going to throw this in a vise and see if we can't give it a pick. Alright, so we're in the vise. Let's just check the key works nice and smoothly, which it does. And I've got a very long top of the keyway turning 1mm, which will go here because it's a very deep recessed keyway. And we're just going to go in and see what we can't feel is binding and pick it. Increase that turning force each time. Pin 2 there, little click. Pin 5 at the back into a false set. 4, which I'm manually counter-rotating slightly. There we go, because that's a good sign, because I can't force these pins up without doing a bit of manual counter-rotation, which is good. Four. Three. And wow, we do have the open. How interesting. Now, why would that? So 5, 4, 3. Maybe I picked 2 at the same time as 3 with the tip of the hook. Maybe it's the only explanation I think of, because I only picked 3 pins, I think, in there. So yeah, that is the Squire power lock. Definitely some nice balls in there that do need some manual counter rotation, which means just backing off the tension manually by turning the core anti-clockwise to just help you push the spool pins past the shear line. So that is a good sign of quite a good lock. I think with a bit of shackle protection on here, yeah, this just doesn't want to come off. No, I'm not going to do it. But yeah, it's not a bad little lock. So definitely 5 pins, definitely 3 or 4 spools in here. Not a bad little lock from Squire. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any comments about this lock, leave them below. I do read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and the notifications button. It really helps my channel out. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.